Welcome to the ultimate guide to Facebook ads from zero to profit. If you've ever dreamed of turning clicks into cash, scaling your business, or building a seven-figure income online, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Facebook ads, a powerful, evergreen tool that's transformed countless businesses into profit machines. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, this guide will walk you through every step to master Facebook ads and skyrocket your success. Buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Why Facebook ads? With over 3 billion monthly active users, Facebook remains a goldmine for businesses. Its ad platform lets you target specific audiences with laser precision, making it perfect for entrepreneurs, e-commerce stores, and creators. From local businesses to global brands, Facebook ads drive results when done right. In this documentary, we'll break down the exact strategies to create profitable campaigns, optimize your budget, and achieve massive ROI. Ready? Let's dive into the first step. First, let's demystify the Facebook ads ecosystem. At its core, Facebook Ads Manager is your control center. Here, you create, manage, and track your campaigns. The platform uses a three-tier structure: campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Think of it like a house. Campaigns are the foundation, ad sets are the rooms, and ads are the furniture. Each level serves a purpose, and mastering this structure is key to success. Start by setting clear objectives. Are you driving traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales? Facebook offers goals like brand awareness, conversions, or store visits. Choose one that aligns with your business. For example, an e-commerce store might select conversions to drive purchases, while a blogger might choose traffic to get clicks to their site. This clarity sets the stage for profitable campaigns. Pro tip: always use the Facebook pixel. This tiny piece of code tracks user behavior on your website, helping you measure results and retarget visitors. Install it before launching any campaign. It's your secret weapon for optimization. Now let's talk about targeting, the heart of Facebook ads. Facebook's algorithm lets you zero in on your ideal customer based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even life events. Want to reach 25 to 34-year-old fitness enthusiasts who love yoga and live in New York? You can. Want to target parents who recently bought baby products? Done. The possibilities are endless. Start with broad audiences to test the waters, then narrow down using custom audiences. These let you retarget website visitors, email subscribers, or people who've engaged with your page. For even more power, create lookalike audiences. These find users similar to your best customers, boosting your chances of conversions. Here's an SEO-optimized tip. Research trending keywords related to your niche using tools like Google Trends or SEMrush. Incorporate these into your ad copy to align with what your audience is searching for. For example, if you're selling eco-friendly products, use terms like sustainable living or green products to attract eco-conscious buyers. Your ad's visuals and copy are make or break. In a crowded news feed, you have seconds to grab attention. Use bold, colorful images or videos that pop. Videos perform especially well. Studies show they get 59% more engagement than static images. Keep videos short, ideally 15 to 30 seconds, with captions for silent viewers. Your ad copy should be concise, compelling, and action-oriented. Start with a hook. Struggling to grow your business? Or want to double your sales? Then highlight benefits, not features. Instead of saying, "Our software has 10 features," say, "Boost your revenue with our easy-to-use software." End with a clear call to action: shop now, sign up, or learn more. Pro tip: A/B test everything. Create multiple versions of your ad with different headlines, images, or CTAs. Facebook's algorithm will show you which performs best, letting you optimize for maximum profit. Budgeting can feel daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Start small. $5 to $10 per day is enough to test a campaign. Facebook offers two bidding strategies: lowest cost, great for beginners, and target cost, ideal for scaling. Choose based on your goals. To stretch your budget, focus on cost per result. For example, if you're running a lead generation campaign, track your cost per lead, CPL. If your CPL is $2 but each lead brings $10 in revenue, you're winning. Use Facebook's analytics to monitor metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and return on ad spend, ROAS. These numbers tell you what's working and what needs tweaking. Scaling is where the magic happens. Once you've got a winning campaign, increase your budget gradually, 10 to 20% at a time, to avoid disrupting Facebook's algorithm. Expand your audience by testing new lookalike audiences or exploring Instagram placements, since Facebook owns Instagram and lets you advertise across both platforms seamlessly. Troubleshooting is part of the process. If your ads aren't performing, check your targeting. Are you reaching the right people? Is your ad copy resonating? Maybe your budget is too low to gather enough data. Use Facebook's ads reporting to diagnose issues and make data-driven decisions. To stay evergreen, adapt to trends. Facebook's algorithm evolves, but the fundamentals, clear objectives, precise targeting, compelling ads, and smart budgeting, remain timeless. Stay updated on new features like Reels ads or dynamic ads to keep your campaigns fresh and effective. Let's talk about advanced strategies. Use dynamic creative to let Facebook test multiple ad combinations automatically. Leverage campaign budget optimization, CBO, to allocate your budget to the best performing ad sets. And don't sleep on retargeting. Ads targeting warm audiences, like website visitors, convert up to 70% better than cold audiences. Success stories inspire. Take Jane, a small business owner who started with a $50 budget. By targeting local moms with engaging video ads for her handmade jewelry, she scaled to $10,000 in monthly sales within 6 months. Or Mike, a dropshipper who used lookalike audiences to turn $100 into $5,000 in revenue. These aren't flukes. They're proof that Facebook ads work when you follow a proven system. The beauty of Facebook ads is accessibility. You don't need a big budget or a marketing degree. With the right strategy, anyone can go from zero to profit. But it takes action. Start small, test relentlessly, and scale smartly. The profits will follow. Before we wrap up, let's address mistakes to avoid. Don't target too broadly. You'll waste money. Don't ignore analytics. Data is your roadmap. And don't give up too soon. Successful campaigns often need a week or two to optimize. Patience and persistence are your allies. This is just the beginning. To take your Facebook ads game to the next level and build that 7-figure income online, check out the Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. It's packed with advanced strategies, insider tips, and step-by-step guides to dominate digital marketing. Click the links in the description to order now and explore other game-changing products that'll accelerate your journey to millions. If you found this guide valuable, hit that subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below. Tell us your biggest takeaway or your own Facebook ad success story. Together, let's turn your dreams into profits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.